Within the framework of this project, FoodLAND, there are different scientists working in the same group, working more on agriculture, precise irrigation, precise storage, harvesting. So for irrigation, we try to develop a smartphone app that will be used by farmers in order to schedule their irrigation based on the management of the continuum soil plant atmosphere. For the storage, we are working on onion storage, basically because we produce a lot of onion in the country, mainly in Meknes area. But the problem, while we store it, we lose a huge quantity, sometimes even 40% of it. So how to keep it with this traditional way? So we are developing, within the framework of this project, a smart storage that we will make some sensors in it and measuring humidity as well as temperature. And according to this measurement, we will write down in the algorithm some threshold when this storage of the onion, this storage will be ventilated and covered, opened, so to keep the onion with good quality. Mainly the challenges, difficulties were for the irrigation, because while trying to give information to farmer using technology is not that easy, mainly for small farmers, and we do have more small farmers than big farmers. Small farmers, farmers has a small area of land. So the challenges is that we have to make the information as simple as it is. So how to change the technological informations in terms of soil humidity, physiological response, to information, for example, timing of irrigation, duration and number. So this we could solve it. Satisfactory aspects is that we are working with love. We love what we do, and we start getting results, mainly on experimentation. Now we have to switch from experimentation to good information to farmers. So we are still working on this. We have experience on it, and we are working on a group, and we will try to not work only in Morocco, but export this knowledge and these applications to the other countries, mainly in Africa.